Hello, welcome to solve this mathematical problem, which is x to the power of 2 times x to the power of 3 divided by 2 times x to the power of 2 times 3x to the power of 2, which is equal to 25. Find all possible value of x from this equation. In the first step, we have to simplify the numerator, which is x squared times x cubed. So from rule a, the power of n times a the power of m is equal to a the power of m plus n. So this x squared times x cubed, which is equal to x the power of 3 plus 2, which is equal to x the power of 5. And in the next step, we have to simplify the denominator, which is 2x the power of 2 times plus 3x the power of 2, which is equal to, here the exponential function is multiplied by a constant, so we have to factor out the x term, which is x squared into 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5 times x the power of 2. Now we can rewrite the above equation as x the power of 5 divided by 5x square, which is equal to 25. So now let's simplify this one. This will be, let's multiply both sides by 5 times 5 times 5, and we will get x the power of 5 divided by x the power of 2, which is equal to 125. So now also applying rule of a the power of m divided by a the power of n is equal to a the power of m minus n. So applying this exponential rule, this will be x the power of 5 minus 3, which is equal to 125, and finally, x the power of 2. Finally, we get x cubed, which is equal to 125. And let's bring this into the left hand side, that x cubed minus 125 is equal to 0. We can rewrite this one as x cubed minus 5 cubed, which is equal to 0. So now applying the basic expression of a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. So hence a is equal to x and b is equal to 5. So this x cubed minus 5 cubed is equal to x minus 5 times x squared plus 5x plus 25 equal to 0. So from zero product identity, we can write x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x squared plus 5x plus 25 is equal to 0. So from here, x is equal to 5, which is one of the solution for x, that is x squared plus 5x plus 25 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. So by using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times of a. Or x from here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 25. So substitute these coefficients into the equation, the formula. So minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 5 times 4 times a, that's 1 times 25 divided by 2 times 1 So x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 70, so minus 100, divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 75 divided by 2. So from here, x, which is equal to minus 5 plus or minus the square root of this, will be 5 times 5 times minus 3 divided by 2, or x, which is equal to minus 5 plus or minus, this is 5 squared, so 5 into root of minus 3 divided by 2. So x, which is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 5 square root of 3 times I over 2. So x is equal to minus 5 over 2 plus or minus 5 the square root of 3 in the over 2. So our final solution for x is x with 1, which is equal to 5, which is a real solution for x, and x2, which is equal to minus 5 over 2 plus 5 the square root of 3I divided by 2, which is a complex solution, and also the final solution is also minus 5 over 2 minus 5 the square root of 3I divided by 2, which is complex solution. So for the possible value of x for the given equation is x1, x2, and x3. Thanks very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.